Hey everyone, this is a quick video on where I've been in the past few days and what I've been doing. I'll talk about some of the other stuff, but first I want to show you some recommendation that I was using to learn a bit into Godot. So first of all, there is gdscript from zero. This is a application by gdquest. It's pretty cool. It has like 25 chapter lessons to be exact, 27, and you will find, if you are going from zero to beginner, I think this is a good starting point. Also, in the meantime, I was looking up the Harvard CS50 course. It's pretty good. It's not too complicated to get your head around. I think the way of teaching is probably the highest in this one, so it's pretty effective, I would say. Another topic, I was doing the so-set Coco tutorial. I think it's gave me a good foundation, but also you have to memorize a lot, also you have to understand a lot.
Oh, hello there! Are you here to get your mobile game published?
Sorry about that.
If you're just starting,
Anyway, you get a really good core on this stuff you have to learn.
For now, it
So yeah,
has...
I highly recommend it. It has 3 parts again. And I was looking up another video on every 2D node, which is, again, I found useful. Simply just an explanation.
Collision object, however, other physics bodies body that is.
So yeah, maybe one more thing I want to show is, give me a moment. This is how far I've gotten into the tutorial, which I've shown. If you want to go, I'll just do a quick demonstration on it. So I was doing this mostly in the evening. I didn't want to record it. Here you can choose levels, which is buttons, and you have the basic functional control. That's supposed to be an enemy that I'm still trying to figure out how to make it move. But yeah, it's a Mario style. But if you watch the tutorial, you can do the same, to be honest. It seems a little bit too much first, but it's a pretty good breakdown from each step and how to do it. Of course, we will have a trophy at the top and you can go to the next scene. But if I restart the program, also I think this one has a pause menu. Yeah. Which I didn't do yet. Oh, sorry, you can see it now. Which I didn't do yet fully. You can only pause the game, but you cannot resume it. Anyway, yeah, I think that was it. Thank you for joining in. Have a great day. Okay, one more thing I want to mention, sorry to cut back. The reason I wasn't really posting frequently is because I'm having a thesis that I'm working on a lot lately, so yeah, I had a bit of time now. I still have a lot to do, but I'll try to update as frequently as I can. Also, I didn't really have too much time to touch all of the stuff mentioned, but I'm working on it. As you can see, you don't really have to do a lot to do this, but this will get so frustrating and complicated once you try to understand everything in the first go. I think what I'd recommend for now is just keep practicing, keep doing, even if the same stuff, just the Coco code tutorial. I really enjoyed it. I think I've done a lot. I think I've learned nothing, but I did a lot. So yeah.